Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we are gonna see the gaming review, heat test, multitasking and sound test of Swipe Elite Plus. Without any further delay, let's get started. It has Qualcomm Snapdragon 615 processor with 4 Cortex A53 running at 1.5 GHz and 4 Cortex A53 running at 1.10 GHz. Supported with Adreno 405 GPU. It has 5-inch Full HD display provided by Sharp and has 2GB RAM with 16GB inbuilt storage with 3050 mAh battery. And most of the time the temperature stays around 35 degrees. Let's check the Antutu benchmark score, which is 31,500, and I tested it a couple of times and I got the same scores. Benchmark scores are decent. Let's start playing some games and see the heating issue and performance of this smartphone. I will start with the small games.
You can see there is a slight lag.
After playing the game for a few minutes, the temperature went up to 43 degrees Celsius. I felt slight heating near the back and near the camera as well as at the front near the display. So let me try to play some other games. Currently I am playing Need for Speed. This game has a bit more graphics than the previous games. We'll play this game for a few minutes and we'll check the heating issue. After playing this game for a few minutes, I didn't find any change in the heating. So let me try to play some AV games. This is the Nova 3. The screen quality is decent and the viewing angle is also really great. It looks a bit reflective but not that much. I try to play all the games in high graphic settings. With the first two games I didn't felt any lags or frame drops, but while playing Nova 3 there is a slight lag. Let's check the temperature. The temperature went up to 47 degrees Celsius. That's really huge. Let's check whether it goes even further or not. I didn't find any lag in this game after the initial part. After playing the game for a few minutes, the gameplay is really smooth. Let's check the temperature. The temperature came down to 46 degrees. So it didn't cross 47 degrees Celsius. That's weird. Let's play some more heavy graphics games like Asphalt 8. The temperature is still at 43 degrees Celsius. Most of the time the temperature stays around 45 degrees Celsius. At max it went up to 47 degree. Because this mobile doesn't have a metal body finishing, you won't feel the heating that much, but still I felt the heating little bit near the camera and at the front near the earpiece. This little champ can handle all the heavy games that you throw at it, but the mobile will get warm when you play games. I didn't find any heating issue apart from gaming, like using the camera or browsing in the smartphone for long hours. This mobile has 2GB RAM and the 615 processor does handle the games really well. It takes around 2.5 hours to charge and you won't see any heating while charging. It doesn't have a quick charge, that may be the reason. The sound output of this mobile is really good, but when I try to keep the volume at max, I felt that the sound breaks at maximum volume. It has a single mono speaker at the bottom, so even though if the phone is on table or on the ground, you can still hear the sound. The speaker quality is above average, in my frank opinion. And while multitasking, all the apps loaded pretty quick. I can able to see the multitasking is performing decently well. It is running on Android Lollipop with Freedom OS on top, and the Freedom OS does a pretty good job in handling the RAM management. You will find a lot of options in customization. If you want to know more about this smartphone, do let me know in the comment section below, or if you want to see any other videos of the same smartphone or comparing with any other smartphone, do let me know in the comment section below. If you need any help in shopping online or choosing between the right product at the cheap price, do let me know in the comment section below, or you can directly contact me at my Facebook page at HowiSiT. If you like this video, hit the like button, or if you didn't like the video, do hit the unlike button and do let me know what you didn't like in this video. And subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. This is Tim signing off. Hope to see you in my next video.